Unlocking SEO Secrets, Understanding Long-Tail Keywords. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind long-tail keywords and how they can be a game-changer in your journey to mastering English. If you've ever dived into the world of SEO or content creation, you've probably heard this term. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore this concept in detail. Long-tail keywords are phrases that are more specific and usually longer than typical keywords. Imagine you're searching online for a guide to learn English. Instead of just typing, "Learn English," you might search for "Best online resources to learn English for beginners." This longer, more specific phrase is a long-tail keyword. They are less common and less competitive than shorter keywords but can be incredibly effective in attracting the right audience. Why are these lengthy phrases important? It's simple: specificity. When people use long-tail keywords, they are usually clear about what they're looking for. This means that if your content matches these keywords, you're likely to attract visitors who are highly interested in your topic. This can lead to higher engagement, longer visit duration, and a higher chance of conversion or language learning success. 1. Understand your audience. Know what your learners are searching for. If you're teaching English, they might look for specific phrases like, "How to improve English speaking for beginners." 2. Create valuable content. Once you know what your audience wants, create content that addresses those needs. For the previous example, you could create videos or blog posts about basic conversation skills in English. 3. Optimize your content. Use long-tail keywords naturally in your title, headers, and throughout your content. But remember, the key is to keep it natural and helpful. While long-tail keywords are powerful, they come with challenges. The main one is finding the right balance between being specific and being relevant to a larger audience. To overcome this, 1. Do your research. Use tools to research long-tail keywords related to your content. Understand the volume and competition for each keyword. 2. Focus on quality. It's better to have a smaller audience that is highly engaged than a large audience that is not interested. Focus on creating high-quality, relevant content. Long-tail keywords are not just a tool for SEO. They are a pathway to reaching the heart of your audience's needs. By understanding and leveraging these phrases, you can create content that not only ranks well but also truly helps and engages your learners. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of long-tail keywords and how you can use them in your English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.